Mamta from the label Manu Mamta. They are into high-end bridal couture and they specialize into wedding gowns, lehengas and trousseau you would like to probably make for yourself. So over to Mamta.
Yeah, hi, I'm Mamta. I work under the label Manu Mamta. Manu and me, we are both husband-wife and we are designing this label. My USP for the same, like I'm into bridal couture, and my USP is basically bridal wedding gowns or cocktail gowns or engagemental gowns, which I would like to show to you as well. Look at this gown. It's a very flouncy, elaborate gown which you could probably wear on your engagement or even your reception. Team it up with a traditional or a modern look, the choice is yours. Now this is another gown which I've done in a very deep pink color, blended with the gold embroidery, so that there is a different look to our gowns. We can go in with the bride on a traditional look totally. Then I'm also doing certain drape sarees which are easy for girls to wear, very easy to handle. Just wear them, zip it up and you're done and over with, which look nice, very dressy on girls and yet very comfortable to wear, so no hitch on wearing a saree. In addition to this, I'm also going in for some traditional long pieces, which I'm doing with a lot of dardozi. A touch of Swarovski is definitely required because when you think about marriage, what you think about is bling. Now these are floor-touching anarkalis, which also give a very Indianized gown look. Girls are much more happier wearing this for their mehendis or even the Sufi nights. As you know, the themes have been given to the wedding functions nowadays. Then in addition to this, I am doing a lot though, but this is a layered lehenga with a long achkan over it. Again, a mix of traditional work with a modern cut. Good transparency through back and again blending for some traditional functions, even for sagan, which looks nice. In this particular thing, I have tried to get some fulkari work done into this so that we do not forget our roots, Punjab. Okay, now if you see this garment, I've tried to create something different. It is a blend of thread, zari, Swarovskis, dardozi, everything in one garment with different drapes blended with velvet to give it the richness of the garment. The garment comes out very well with with velvets, and as we relate it to, it's nice and rich and good to look at. This particular garment is again a lehenga with a long achkan, blended into beadwork, threadwork, and a touch of Swarovskis into it. An off-shoulder garment with our national flower, the lotus, which looks very nice and colorful. Manu, who's the main person, the backbone for our work, the backbone for our label, I joined him, and that's the way I could, obviously pursue everything which I had in mind and which was also my passion. Thanks to Viva for giving me this platform that I'm here today in front of you. Thank you, and Viva rock.